guys, today we're doing slime stuff. So we have this slime, that slime, and they're pretty much the same slime. The slime is very white, and this is what it sounds like when you pop it. Oh, if you're wondering, I'm Gabriel's cousin.
Yeah, and I'm the actual YouTuber. You are too, but you can't post your videos, your mom and dad said.
So,
it's a really cool sound.
Don't touch
Tanya!
Tanya.
Hey.